Welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Today we are here to do a fall look. So if you're interested in seeing how I create the look, keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and can be a part of my YouTube family. Subscribe guys, support a sister. Alright guys, let's get on with it. So as you can see, I've actually done my eyebrows off camera and now we're gonna do the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go over my eyebrow. Actually no, I'm going to put a little bit of primer on my eye, just a normal standard primer that I use for my face. This one is the Professional Pore Primer from Benefit. Yep, that's the one I'm going to use. So I'm just actually going to apply just a little bit on my eye. I feel like it actually helps to smooth the skin on the lid. I'm actually going to go over the eyelid with the Misguided Meet Your Match Liquid Concealer. And then we're going to blend it in. I'm going to go over with LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to go over. I'm going to blend this in because I'm actually going to go on top of it again with a brighter concealer. So I'm actually using 3 different concealers. Not sure why I'm doing that. The color that I want I don't have, so that's why I'm using 3 different concealers, because I want a certain color. I don't want it too bright and at the same time I don't want it too dark like the Fawn, so that's why I'm actually going over with this concealer to brighten it up. Yep, now this is the color I want. Yep, so keep blending. You need to practically blend until you can't blend anymore. Until you can't blend anymore, you need to keep blending. Now I'm actually going to go over. I normally like to powder my eye. I just don't put the eyeshadow on straight from the concealer. I have to actually powder it first, make it matte first. I like it matte before, because I feel like the eyeshadow goes on much better when the eyelid is matte. For me anyway. No, so now we're going to be using this eyeshadow palette here. It's called Sample Beauty, the Painter's Palette. It's by Beth Painter. I don't know, I've never seen this eyeshadow palette before. I ordered something from Beauty Bay and this came with it free because I ordered over a certain amount. We're doing like a promotion and a deal, so if you order up to a certain amount you get a free eyeshadow palette, and this is what I got. It is Sample Beauty, the Painter's Palette. It's actually quite nice. It's actually quite cute. So this is the inside. I'm going to hold it this way. This is the inside. Look how pretty the colors are. The colors are absolutely pretty. So they got some cool tone shades and some warm shades in there, so you can actually get a lot of looks from this palette. And today we are going to be using this shade here. I'm going to go for brown. We're going to go for Insta, this one here. There it is. And then cut a crease on the other side as well. I can't find my small brush, so I'm actually going to use the eye pencil because I'm trying to cut a crease with it, and the brush that I'm using is not a very good brush to cut the crease with. You're going to use that to blend the top in. I'm actually going to put spot on the lid just to brighten it up slightly. We're going to go for invite only glitter. We're going for glitter. I haven't done glitter in a long time, so we're actually going to put invite only. Okay, invite only is not showing. It's not showing. Oh my goodness, the color is so pretty. It's just so pretty. It's not showing as much as I wanted, so I'm gonna actually add some other color to it as well. I'm going to add Private Oasis, so I'm going to add Private Oasis to it. Yes. Alright guys, so on the corner I'm actually going to put a little bit of color there. We're gonna go in with a brown on the corners. So yeah. Finished with the eyeshadow. Now I'm actually going to do my liner. So we're going to line the eye. Going to push it up. I don't know, my wing is actually getting rusty. I haven't done like a big wing like that in a long time. I finished with the eyeliner, so now I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on before I put the lashes on. The mascara we're using today, again as usual, is the Accelerator Endless from Rimmel. I like this one so much. It actually grows lashes as well, so they say, but I don't think I've seen any improvement in my eyelashes. They still look the same. So yeah, I'm going to apply that on before I put my lashes on. Today we are using actually Stunner from Sean's Beauty lashes. That's what we're using today. I really love these lashes. I've had these lashes for so long and I'm still loving it. It's still going strong. It won't allow me to be great today. The nails ain't allowing me to be great. I'm going to apply the glue on. I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter at the top because the lashes are on now. Whoa. Looks so good. Now we finished with the eye, we're going to go on the foundation. I'm using Too Faced Born This Way matte, and it's actually in the color Chai. That's what we're using today. I'm actually going to apply it directly on my face. Because this one is glam, we can go all out. We can go all out and just splash it on. No, I've put a lot, but that's how I like my foundation. Because I like to cover everything. And again, I'm just dabbing it on the skin. I'm not swiping it, I'm dabbing it. I want it to stay on the skin. I'm not trying to wipe it off. I'm trying to get it to stay on the skin. You gotta blend until you can't blend no more. You gotta blend until you can't blend no more. Keep blending, you know, make sure it goes on your neck. Keep blending. We're going for glum. Yes, it's all blended in. Now today I'm actually going to use LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to apply it. We're going for full coverage, we're going for full glum. Now we're going to blend it in. I'm going to do my forehead. So guys, just keep on blending. I want to go for like a really highlighted face. Now I'm going to blend the other side. I mean, like I always say, when it comes to makeup, it's all about blending. Blending is a secret, you know. If you can blend it really well, the whole thing will look very seamless. For me, it's all about the blending. Because I want it super highlighted, I'm actually going to place just a tiny bit of the whites there. I want it super duper highlighted. My new trick for blush, I'm actually going to apply just a tiny dots on my cheeks because we want that red cheek going on there. Yeah, and I'm going to use my little tiny brush to blend it in. Not too much, just a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with this one. That's it. We are actually going to contour. Just a slight contour, not too much. I'm actually using the same brush that I used for the blush, and I'm using the same brush for the top as well, so that we have a little bit of the red in there as well. It will be blended in the end. Okay, now we're actually going to apply the powder. There we go. We're gonna apply powder on top of the concealed places. I'm going to use this brown here called Fudge. So it's the same one I use for the top. We're going to use that for the bottom. We're going to use it for the lower lid. We're using Fudge from Sample Beauty, the palette I use for the top lid. So we're using that for the lower lid. I actually love doing full makeup, but it just takes so long to do it. You know, if you want it to be perfect, it takes way too long. Right, so now I'm going to line my lower lid. We are going to put mascara on the lower lashes. Now I'm gonna actually sweep the powder off. I think it's been on for quite a bit. I'm not trying to get rid of the powder. I'm just sweeping it off slightly because I want, like I said, I want like a super duper highlighted face. I know it's going to look like really highlighted on camera, but in person it doesn't look too highlighted. So it's Hello Happy from Benefit and it's color 11. I'm going to actually set the whole face with it and make the whole face look seamless and look gorgeous. So I'm going to start off with the bottom. That's what I normally do, and we're going to do the sides that we use the contour first. We're going to go over. I'm going to put a bit on top of this super highlighted eye because we're trying to get the whole thing to be seamless. So you're going to have to buff it on. Let's buff. I normally like to put it on my nose. Ooh, now we're going to do the lips. So we're actually using this color here. I mean, I use this all the time. It's brown chocolate and it's actually from Rimmel as well. So you're going to line the lip. I'm actually going to go for the 710 Matte Long Lasting Finish Honey Nude from Rimmel. It looks like a lot of stuff that I'm using today are from Rimmel. So you're going to apply that in the middle. So yeah, this is the end result. This is how the makeup turned out. I really love it, and yeah, I paired it with this hair as well. I think this hair is really nice. I love the color. If you guys want to know where the hair is from, I'm gonna leave the link in my description bar below. You guys can go check it out. This is my look, my autumn fall look. So if you like this look and you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye.